Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while speaking during an event organized by the Khadc for the launch of 17 books based on extensive research into Khasi culture, announced that the Meghalaya government will approach Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan to ensure that research-based books on Khasi culture and history find a place in libraries dedicated to tribal societies across India. Sangma praised the Khadc chief executive member for his vision in conceptualizing the project, recalling how the idea immediately captured his attention.
Tribal society and culture has so much to offer to this world. Sometimes we tend to overlook and take things for granted. But as scholars, I'm sure you will know better whether environmental issues. I just saw that there was a book that is talking about the governance in environment through the traditional practices.
To honor and commemorate the 84th death anniversary